How to fix TikTok Facebook login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix if you are having trouble logging into your TikTok using Facebook. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you want to do is obviously open up your TikTok, and if you are trying to log into your account, you have to make sure that the particular account that you're trying to log into is connected to your Facebook. If it's not, then you won't be able to log into it using your Facebook no matter what. And once you make sure that it is connected to your Facebook, then all you have to do is simply tap on the login option and try to log in with your Facebook. But if it's not working, then what you can try to do is log into another account that you have and then head over to its profile section, tap on the three lines and then head over to settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and report a problem. And once you get here, you are just going to go ahead and submit a ticket or a report. Now you can just type in here, you include your account's name, your other account's name, and say that you're not able to log in using Facebook. Now you just want their help, and they will contact you on this email of the account, and you just have to follow their instruction to be able to log into your TikTok. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.